Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to manage Alibaba notifications. Well, in today's video, I teach you how to manage Alibaba notifications. So right here, we're at our phone. To manage your Alibaba notification, just click here on My Alibaba. After clicking on My Alibaba, click on the settings on the top right corner. After doing that, you will see a notification just below language, and click on that. After clicking on that, you will see push. Click on that push, and as you can see, here are all the notifications that you can manage. You can manage your messenger, and you can ask a promotion, and you can also manage your orders. You can also on and off your multimedia. Not only that, even your feedback, activities, alert sound, and add notification bars, as you see right there. Or you can just close all of your notifications or just leave it on, depending on you which you prefer. So there you go, guys. And if you're using your PC to change your notification, just go right here in the icon right here in the top right corner, then click on accounts. After clicking on account, choose on email preferences, not in private settings. Just when you click on private settings, this will only just change a few this basic information source, and all the stuff. So just choose the email preferences. You cannot change that notification because it's not a phone, it's only on your browser. But you can, a little bit of tip for you guys, you can also do what I did in the phone if you download it from the Microsoft Store itself. Right here, download the Alibaba here. Alibaba, if you download it there, and also change its preference. But right now we're talking about here at our browser. So you can just turn off this one and turn off this one, or if you want to just change it, just turn off this one, turn off this one. And then after doing all of that, you can click on save preference. But if you want to close it all, just click on unsubscribe from all. After doing that, all of it will be closed. To on it again, just click each one of those big switch, then click on save preference. After clicking on save preference, email preference updated. As you can see, it's now been saved. Your email preference has been updated successfully. So there we go, and you safely close it. And then there you go. That's how you change your, that's how you manage your notifications in Alibaba. If you have any questions, type it on the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.